All right, guys, we got some shower steamers, and we are in the shower. We're going to give it a whirl and see what it's like. You got lavender, you got watermelon, you got eucalyptus, rose, mint, and orange, and we are going to go with my favorite, lavender. I've already got one broken open here. They come in a little puck, so let's take a look here, that are individually wrapped, a little puck, and you can smell it. This smells like shower sweetness right here. And I like to break these up. That's my favorite thing to do. So from a necessity perspective, what it says is you are going to, shower steamer is made, okay? And you are going to put it on the shower floor, void direct streams, and you're going to drop it right in. So that is super important. So this is going to set on the floor, and it's hopefully going to steam up. So bear with me. I'm going to drop it on the floor. Here we go. Hold on. Stay put, guys. So it should go ahead and kind of bubble up, which is going to be great. And while it's bubbling up and we can smell this goodness come up from below, you can see it breaking down from below. And I definitely love that. And this fragrant lavender is just humidifying the room. Now, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. It's hard to see steam with that, but you can definitely tell that it is opening up without any problems. Maybe my camera person can get me a good video. I don't know. I'm going to slide the thing over, and we're going to see what we can do here. All right, camera person. Nice and easy. This is in the kids' bathtub, and there you have it. That's what it's going to look like. So it's going to start to bubble out just like that with no problems. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, take it back, camera person. Turn it around, and here you have it. We are right back at it. You guys just flipped up all around. But as you can tell, it's just going to break apart in the bottom of the tub without any issues, and I'm definitely digging that. So you can get a nice, good eucalyptic, lavender, watermelon, orange, mint smell, and I can already get it going. Let me get this moving around so I can smell it here a little bit more so we can get some of the water moving. Oh, yeah. As it's coming here, guys, this smells so good. I'm not going to lie, I'm definitely digging it. And these shower steamers will last for a good amount of time. Can you smell it over there? Yeah. That's fantastic. So if you get a shower area nice and steamy, you're going to be able to enjoy this with the shower steamers. They are awesome. You got a set of pucks, all for goodness. Guys, definitely check them out.